Assalamualaikum and hello. This is where I'm going to focus about Tollens test, or another case that I want to call it as oxidation with Tollens reagent. So Tollens reagent is one of the mild oxidizing agent. So when you want to write the equation for that, first thing first, please remember Tollens reagent is what we've used in Tollens test. So this is a chemical test. Please make sure you check your spelling with capital Tollens apostrophe test. So this is apostrophe behind letter S. And when you want to write the reagents in chemical formula, you have square bracket Ag in bracket NH3, close the bracket 2, and close the square bracket, you have positive charge, comma, OH minus. Please memorize this one because it is very helpful for you. So in this case, I'm going to show you the purpose of the Tollens test, where you want to differentiate between aldehyde and ketone, where the positive result can be shown from aldehyde and ketone will show you negative results. So let's continue with the chemical equation. You have aldehyde only because aldehyde, as I mentioned before, can only show the positive result with Tollens test. So you got aldehyde with alkyl group attached to the carbonyl compound or another hydrogen, that's fine, plus AgNH3 2 plus. So this is the Tollens reagent, and you have to put the OH minus on the top of the arrow, and the product's form will be stay as it is, but the part for hydrogen here will be changed with O minus and H4 plus. And you have to make sure you got another side product, which is plus Ag. This is where your observation is recorded as silver mirror or gray precipitate. So that's why I put in bracket solid or arrow facing down to emphasize the precipitate or silver mirror form here. So the reaction will happen using Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent, for your information, may refer to another terms, which is the first one is aqueous silver nitrate and H3 mixture. So this is same case with Tollens reagent, or another term that can be used is ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. So if you see another term like this in your question, you have to understand it is referring to the Tollens test as well. So now, if you see this observation is what we call as silver mirror. And the chemical properties here is oxidation because you use Tollens reagent as mild oxidizing agent. So how you want to write the equation for ketone, you still can write it down by using the Tollens reagent, but at the product side, just put no observable changes, and for your observation, there is no silver mirror form or no gray precipitate form. Same case as before for the negative result. Let's try a few examples here how you want to form the product when you have this reaction, your aldehyde. So this hydrogen will react with Tollens reagent here. And what's next? You are going to make it all the substituents stay as it is. So I got my cyclid here attached to carbonyl carbon. And what's next? This bond will change to O minus and H4 plus. And after that, don't forget the side product, which is plus Ag in solid phase. So this is the final product for this aldehyde. Next one, we go to the second example I have here is ketone. Why it is ketone? Because you got one alkyl group here and another one more alkyl group here. There is no hydrogen just like this part, because this hydrogen is very important in oxidation. We call it as reducing hydrogen. So when you react ketones with no reducing hydrogen in its compound with Tollens reagent, you will form no observable changes. So I'm going to write no observable changes at my product site. This is because ketone will give you negative results. So please remember about this one. So that's all for this video for tolerance test. I hope all of you understood that we will form positive result with aldehyde only. When reacts with tolerance reagent, you will form this part, the big guy here, that we call as carboxylate salt. Carboxylate salt is a soluble salt. You can know about this extra information. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.